Okay, here we go. It's about time we make some changes in the sound and maybe, I don't know, the weight performance of these bikes. So let's see what we got for them. There we go. We got a selection of different exhaust systems for the 390. We're just getting rid of the pre-muffler and putting a straight pipe in, and then on the 890 a wing silencer. Not sure what it's going to sound like. Hope it's an improvement. Well, that's the wings silencer for the 890 in its bits and pieces. But whether it's going to make a change on the actual sound, it's better practice before and after. Okay, so that's a new wings exhaust installed. A few things that was a little bit different. The new bushes here didn't work so well, so I had to use some of the old ones from my old exhaust, and now it's tight and everything is in. So let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, what I want to do is this wings silencer comes with a removable dB killer, and you have this little fake dB killer. Well, it's not really a dB killer to put in there, so it still looks like a dB killer. Okay, so dB killer removed, came out there, and fake dB, I don't know, it's not a killer, it's just the appearance on the back inserted. So let's, yeah, what difference it makes in the sound. Oh well, that's more like it. Now people can hear me come. Sounds better with a dB killer removed. Well, we'll see how it goes when I travel on the freeway. I might want to put it back, but it's hard to tell now. Oh yes, and nice Wings exhaust system, and Wings have kindly also sent me a nice Wings t-shirt in the box. Only one problem with this t-shirt, as you can see, we had to be twins to fit in it, or maybe about 50 kilograms heavier, I would say. But yeah, thank you Wings, but it'd be nice if you also keep us skinnier bikers in mind when you include t-shirts. Okay, so here's the 390 Edna's bike, and I'm not changing the silencer, or the muffler, whatever you want to call it. The only thing we're doing is we're bypassing this massive box, which is I don't know what it is, pre-silencer or something like that. I'm installing the straight through pipe, so get rid of the pre-muffler right into the muffler or silencer or exhaust, whatever you like calling it, and we'll hear what it sounds like, the difference. Let's just listen to the standard sound. Hope it starts, hasn't been ridden for a while.
Oh, no, it's your bike.
Okay.
Must I do it?
Yeah, I think you better do it because I forgot how to start your bike.
Oops.
Pretty loud. Okay, new exhaust in. Just have a look around there. The pre-muffler is out.
Bit of
There's a
a
big
gap
hole
there.
there. But this came out there, pre-muffler, it weighs a ton. Right, so it should be even lighter, but let's listen to the sound. There's a distinct difference in the sound this time. Of course, nothing goes as easy as you plan. There was a major problem getting that pre-muffler off. One of the bolts like seized, and I had to remove the crash bar to get the exhaust off, and I had to drill out the rivets on that to get the exhaust lined up. But let's hear. Sounds more like a dirt bike. I hope you'll be happy with the noise. As long as I ride in front of you. Over and out.